Is your kitchen faucet looking a little dull and covered in water spots? Don't rush out to buy expensive cleaners. I've got a super simple, effective trick that will make it shine like new, using something you probably already have in your pantry. All you need is some white vinegar and water. Mix them together in equal parts, a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, grab a cloth, soak it in your vinegar solution, and wrap it snugly around the faucet. Let it sit there for about 5 minutes. This gives the vinegar time to work its magic and break down all that mineral buildup and grime. After 5 minutes, just unwrap it and give the faucet a good wipe down. Finally, take a dry towel and buff it until it's sparkling. Look at that! A brilliant polished shine that instantly brightens up your whole kitchen. It's that easy. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple home hacks. Thanks for watching.